I'm going to talk to you about the house of my dream. Well, I like it to be small and nice is to have a pool, la window that let natural life in. The house of my dream on house have 8 minimalist style and also have in the house of my dream. I want to offer and transmitting peace, free one on comfort and finally appreciate natural wit and we like the most we.